Hello, in this video I'll talk about the control flow from JavaScript. So what is control flow in JavaScript? Control flow is the ability of a programming language to take decisions. Let's take an example. So if I have a const with the name sky is blue with the value true, and I can do something like this. If sky is blue, then I'll show an alert. The sky is blue. Also, I'll show another alert with the text yay. And if not, the sky is not blue, in the case this value is false, I'll show the alert with the value the sky is not blue. Okay, let's test this example. I'll open the application with a live server, and I have the value the sky is blue. And if I go here and I'll change this from true to false, and I'll run the application again, I'll have the pop-up with the message the sky is not blue. So this is the control flow. Let's take another example. So if I have a constant with the name const temperature today equals 10. Here I can do a verification. If temperature today it's higher than 14 degrees, I'll show an alert with the value it's too hot. Also, if the temperature is not greater than 14 degree, but it's equals with 30 degree, I'll show another alert with the text it's 30 degree. Also, if the temperature is not greater than 14 degree and it's not equal with 30 degree, I'll show another alert with the text it's fine. Now let's test. I'll command this to not show the alert, and we have the temperature degree equals 10, and the message will be, oh, it's not working. Yeah, the message will be it's fine. Let's change it. If I put 15 degree, and if I test again, the text will be it's too hot. Okay, let's take another example. And if I make a verification, if 2 plus 2 equals 4, I'll show an alert with the text okay. Else I'll show an alert with the text not okay. I'll comment also this code. So now I'll test. So 2 plus 2 equals 4, and the message is okay. And I'll take another example, and this is the last example. So let's put another constant. I'll also comment this to not show this alert. I'll put a constant with the name students at the course with the value 0. And here I'll make a verification. And we can say if the students at course equals 0, I'll show the message it's too bad, we don't have students. Else, if the students at the course it's lower or equal with 10, I'll show the message better. Also, if the students at course it's not 0 and it's not less than 10 or equal with 10, I'll show the message it's okay. I'll put double quotes because I have this. So the message will be it's okay. We have 0, so the message is, let's reload again, too bad. If I change this to 13 and I'll reload the application, the message will be it's okay. So this is the JavaScript control flow. Thank you.